On the off chance that you're searching for Star Atlas DAO cost expectations estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of Star Atlas DAO, Polis, will explicitly go from here on out. We will examine the previous costs of Star Atlas DAO, Polis, and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities in a sort of large manner. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this forecast and each really other expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master examiners, not to, for the most part, make reference to anticipating something so amazing is totally inconceivable. Be that as it may, we will make an honest effort. We should start. Star Atlas DAO past value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Star Atlas DAO is 11 cents. And Polis is as of now in every way that really matters, position number 612 in the essentially whole crypto biological system, which generally is genuinely huge. The course supply of Star Atlas DAO is 153,005,849 with a market cap of $17,348,309, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the specific beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been fundamentally diminished by 3.34% in its sort of current worth. On the off chance that we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Polis with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. For most recent 7 days, the Polis in every way that really matters was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 18.52%. Star Atlas DAO most certainly has shown extremely areas of strength for lovely of late, and this could be decent, an open door to dive right in and put resources into a significant way without a doubt. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Polis in every way that really matters diminished by 55.184%, dispensing with an astounding especially normal amount of 14 cents from its certainly current worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well may be a decent purchase and open door for fast speculation, or so they truly thought. We sort of foresee future Star Atlas DAO cost expectations Polis figure by applying profound buy and large man-made consciousness, helped specialized examination on the especially past value information of Star Atlas DAO. We essentially give a valiant effort to gather sort of greatest verifiable information for the Polis coin, which sort of incorporate various boundaries like past value, Star Atlas DAO market cap, Star Atlas DAO volume, and not many more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into advanced cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our forecasts. Star Atlas DAO value expectation 2023. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO generally is fundamentally anticipated to generally reach at a kind of least degree of 12 cents. The Polis cost can arrive at an in every practical sense greatest degree of 13 cents, with the especially normal exchanging cost of 12 cents. Star Atlas DAO value expectation 2024. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of 17 cents. The Polis cost can really arrive at a greatest value worth of 20 cents, with the typical worth of 18 cents, which generally is genuinely critical, or so they in every practical sense thought. Polis value conjecture for 2025 Star Atlas DAO cost really is gauged to arrive at a particularly the most reduced conceivable degree of 25 cents in 2025. According to our discoveries, the Polis cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of 30 cents, with the very normal gauge cost of 26 cents. Star Atlas DAO, Polis value expectation 2026. The cost of Star Atlas DAO truly is explicitly anticipated to reach at least degree of 38 cents in 2026, which is very huge. The Star Atlas DAO cost can for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest degree of 45 cents, with the sort of typical cost of 39 cents all through 2026, which is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO value forecast 2027. The cost of one Star Atlas DAO is supposed to reach at any rate level of 54 cents in 2027 in an unpretentious manner. The Paulus cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 66 cents, with the typical cost of 56 cents all through 2027 in spite of prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO Value Expectation 2028 Star Atlas DAO cost is conjecture to for the most part arrive at a least entirely conceivable degree of 75 cents in 2028. According to our discoveries, the Paulus cost could arrive at an in every practical sense, most extreme pretty conceivable degree of 93 cents. With the typical conjecture cost of 78 cents. Or so they thought. Star Atlas DAO, Paulus, Value Expectation 2029. The cost of Star Atlas DAO is especially anticipated to, in every practical sense, reach at a genuinely least worth of $1.04 in 2029. The Star Atlas DAO cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $1.30. With the typical exchanging cost of $1.07 all through 2029. In opposition to mainstream thinking, Star Atlas DAO Value Figure 2030, the cost of Star Atlas DAO is generally anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $1.46 in 2030, which is genuinely huge. The Star Atlas DAO cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $1.82. With the truly normal exchanging cost of $1.50 all through 2030, in an unobtrusive manner. Star Atlas DAO, Paulus, Value Expectation 2031, as per our profound specialized examination on in every way that really matters. Past value information of Paulus, in 2031. The cost of Star Atlas DAO is generally anticipated to especially reach at least degree of $2.12. In an exceptionally significant manner. The Paulus cost can basically arrive at a greatest degree of $2.54, with the truly normal exchanging cost of $2.18. Star Atlas DAO Value Expectation 2032. As per our kind of profound specialized examination on lovely past value information of Paulus, in 2032, the cost of Star Atlas DAO is estimated to be at around a base worth of $3.12. Which fundamentally is genuinely critical. The Star Atlas DAO value worth can arrive at a limit of $3.62, with the typical exchanging worth of $3.23 in United States dollars in a significant way. As opposed to mainstream thinking, Star Atlas DAO value conjecture facts. What basically is the Star Atlas DAO cost today? Today Star Atlas DAO, Paulus, is exchanging at 11 cents. With the market cap of $17,348,309.000. What fundamentally is the fate of Star Atlas DAO in an unobtrusive manner? The fate of Star Atlas DAO is profoundly kind of warred on the general execution of the crypto business in an unpretentious manner. With regards to putting resources into Paulus, you want to ensure that you are involving the right procedure in an unobtrusive manner. This sort of speculation is an approach